Hello guys, yeah, what's up? And then, okay, so we will go to church now, to Monadic Church, and I hope you will join me. Okay, and gotten beat up. That's how we go with that. As I said, go to Monadic Church, get it. Okay, let's just be patient about that. Okay. Whoa. Okay, so there's so many people that is walking through here. Exactly what we did last time. Oh no, sorry. Kailangan pala tayo makarano. Okay? Walk. Mga pala pagbababad. So, ganito, marami na daan mo. Kasi, so, maraming aso dito. Sa lugar na ito. So, ayun ko, ba't pa piling? Tumaan dito. Okay, guys. Just walk again. Walk and that's it. That's our business here at the world. Walk and walk. If we didn't walk, we will die.
Parang balbas. Parang balbas yung po. Sa kulay puti kasi pula.
Okay, so there's a door here to north front. So that's a dog. I saw it, right? So I think I'll just fast forward until we've gone to the church. Are you agreeing? I thought you were agreeing, because okay, look at that massive thing. Look at that massive thing. This is my first time, I think, taking a video outside the house. Okay, so sa bahay lang ako mag-ano ng intro tsaka outro. Yun, sa bahay lang ako mag-ano ng intro tsaka outro. Naman kasi ako mag-edit tsaka maglagay din. Nakakatamad. Okay, let's go. Okay, may aso. Ingat tayo. May aso kasing umihi. Okay, so let's go to okay. Okay. Natawid po tayo. And then, we're now here. Pero hindi pa ito sa simbahan. Ngayon kung gusto nyo mag-fast forward kayo bahala. Nakakatatlong video ata tayo today kasi pati pabalik kakunan ko. Agreeing that I think you are. So, ito nasa daan tayo papunta ng simbahan. Hindi ko nalalay shades ang init. Tapos ang araw. Tapos na narofit. Okay, di pa nadala yung shades. Napakaliwanag ngayon. Sila ako. Okay, so, come on. I will go here and okay, tumawid tayo ng kabilang line. Kabilang ang tawag dito. So, may tawag dito eh. Hindi ko lang alam eh. May tawag dito sa binadaanan natin. Ngayon, hindi ko lang alam kung ano.
Yung nga nang nagpampalit ba?
Okay. Oh. As I said, it.
Magsalita din tayo sa mga pulis na nag-serve ng ASEAN Summit. Very good sila. Tama, di ba mga pulis?
Okay.
Okay, ka ba?
Okay, so look at that. That way was so long, but not too much. I'm just walking it because we're not too far at this church. Maybe a mile or meters or kilometer. Just 1 kilometer, I think. Don't mind that. Now, when I reach the church, hindi ko pa nakikita si Jobin. Marami tayong guest sa video ngayon. Actually, marami tayong guest. Aray. Ayan. Okay, we're now in the church. There's someone there. Sino kaya yun? Ayaw, sa kastan niya. Oh, hindi, I think. Oh no. Go pala sila. Yun doon, kaya makakatoy tayo. Good. Okay. Okay pa, iyaharap ko na sa papuntang simbahan yung ano natin, camera. Okay? Okay. Okay. Nailed it. I'm just gonna go across this. And then, wow. That's my shadow, guys. If you can see that. See, oh, man. Kuya, dumating na si Jobin. Ha? Asa na? Okay, andito na.
Hello, Ador.